In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete effects on a video in DaVinci Resolve, if you've added an effect to a clip and later decide you don't want it anymore. DaVinci Resolve makes it very easy to remove. This is useful if an effect looks too strong, doesn't fit the style of your edit, or you simply want to return the clip to a cleaner, more natural look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it in just a few clicks. To begin, go to your timeline and find the video clip that has the effect applied to it. Once you've found the correct clip, click on it to select it. This is important because DaVinci Resolve only shows the settings for the clip you currently have selected. If nothing is selected, or if the wrong clip is highlighted, you may not see the effect controls you're looking for. After selecting the clip, move your attention to the top right area of the interface and click on Inspector. The inspector is where DaVinci Resolve shows detailed settings for the clip you're working on. It's basically the control panel for adjusting and managing different properties of that selected video. Inside the inspector, you'll see an Effects tab. Go ahead and click that. This section displays the effects currently applied to the selected clip. If you've used any OpenFX tools or other added effects, this is where they will appear. It's a good place to check exactly what has been applied, especially if you're troubleshooting a clip that looks different from the rest of your project. Once you're in the Effects tab, look for the trash icon next to the effect. Click that trash icon to remove the effect from the video clip. As soon as you do, the effect will be deleted and the clip will return to its previous state without that effect applied. And that's it. That's how you delete effects on a video in DaVinci Resolve. If you don't immediately see the effect disappear, just make sure the correct clip is selected and that you're viewing the right effect inside the inspector. This is a quick and simple tool to keep in mind while editing, especially when you're testing different looks and want to clean things up fast. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to remove effects from a clip in DaVinci Resolve.